Last but not least, I got this GE alarm clock, which does in fact work. I tested it, but I tried to fit in with the microwave with the cord. No avail. So I would bake this with the cord, but nope, no fun. Also, it's hard to talk because my brain is freezing. Oh wait, what brain? Oh, don't shut on me. Put the clock right in there. Right where you can see the display. Perfect. And do your typical 5 minutes because I know this thing will just explode into flames in less than 2. Beep. I tried to clean the window as best I could, but apparently you still can't see anything. Only lights. Huh. Still doing firecrackers, huh? How's the vent doing? Yep, smoking as always. The capacitors are going. There's no funny lights or sparks or nothing. There's noise. All the noise. Where's the chaos? Gosh. No flames. Not even flames. At this point it would be on fire. It certainly is smoky. God. I don't know what year this clock is, but I can't call it vintage smoke. Ugh. If this is just gonna be a smoke show, I'm taking it out. Oh, never mind. What a pleasant surprise. Flames. Huh, the cord is moving in there. I saw it. Yeah. Let's take it out and see what happens. Huh. Too bad I was listening to classical before I threw it in. Melty cord. Let's use the rest of the water that I have. And I missed. Well, I guess we're just gonna let it burn. Oh, tasty. Just, just kind of poke it in there with the dry, take it dry. Yeah, like that. Oh no, it's getting out of control. There, now I'm gonna have this episode in there. Door won't close. Maybe that is the end of this microwave. I'll just let it burn. Oh no, is the film burning off? Yep. The door no longer closes. What happened, Daewoo? I'm gonna go get some proper water. Well, good thing there's such thing as a washing machine in the basement. Oh, gnarly. And for a second I thought it wasn't going to go out. It smells worse. Smoke smells worse when it's out rather than it's on fire. I think my microwave is done. As sad as it is. Good thing this was the last item. Oh no. There you go. There's your carnage. There's your chaos. Right there. Better get it out before it hardens. Fresh clock coming your way. Jeez. Man. It's too zoomed in. There we go. You can just see everything. That was a good way to kill this microwave. There you go. Can you tell what it is? I can't. There you go. There's your little microwave series. Yeah, touch the tripod. Weirdo.